Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be going over my morning skincare routine. I am going to be using a great company called basedSKIN. They customize my skincare products to my needs, which is I'm really trying to target pigmentation. So they have a 4-step system that works amazing. So I'm going to be going over that with you today. The thing that I like about this company is it's paraben-free, cruelty-free, no fragrances, no dyes. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna be using is the brightening cleanser. What's cool, it comes with a little scooper, so I'm gonna go ahead and scoop this on my hand. And what I like to do is I like to really add a little water just so I can get it going. And then I apply it to my face. And don't be scared to add a little bit more if you feel like you need a little bit more. So I'm going to rub it in. And I like to take it down to my neck. The next thing I like to do is grab my brush. It's my personal brush. It just penetrates the product really, really well for me. Let me just continue to do that. I even go over my lips. I do this for about a minute. Then I grab a towel that they do send to you. And also bring that down to the neck. So the next thing I'm gonna go to is the collagen serum. The collagen serum is great for fine lines and helps prevent aging, and that's what I love. What's great about this just feels so amazing when I apply it to my skin. It feels great. Just gonna bring it down to my neck as well. Great. And then we're gonna move on to the brightening serum. And like I said, every one of these serums feels so amazing, and I just love it so much. And it even brightens the skin right away and gives it that glowy look. Okay, and then the last step is the pure squalene. I love pure squalene because it helps fight damaged skin and helps with free radicals. And this moisturizer just gives it that touch. Look at that glow it gives it. And I love it so much. I'm so happy. I've been using this for about a week now, and it's just been amazing to my skin. And there we have it. Look at that beautiful glow. All right guys, and there you have it. This is my 4-step morning routine system with Base Skincare. I provided the link below if you guys have any questions. Until next time, stay healthy, stay glowing. Mwah.